Hey guys, if you're just joining me, the live has ended. Let me turn up my volume here. Okay, so if you are joining me on the YouTube channel, this was broadcasted live on my Facebook group, Cricut Craft Life, and we have hit 100,000 members this week, and that's crazy. I cannot believe that we have hit that many members. And so we have big giveaways going on right now. Cricut has sponsored one of our giveaways, and that will be next weekend coming up on, I think it's December 8th. And then also we've got a bunch of glitter to give away from Backfist Customs and Peachy Olive Glitters. So tonight I'm going to be showing you CraftVille heat transfer vinyl that I found on Amazon. I love Amazon because of the Prime, obviously, and it's a really good quality heat transfer vinyl. I have used it for probably 3 weeks now just to give it a good test before I show you guys, and I've put it in my Amazon shop so you guys can check that out, and it's also at the top of the feed here, and for the YouTube channel, I will post it in the description box below. So what I love about this is you get 22 sheets of the heat transfer vinyl. It's assorted colors, and they're perfect for if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette, and they are 12 by 10 sheets, and they also come with a Teflon sheet, which I love because I'm always losing mine. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to weed tonight, and I also want to show you how easy it is to press with my Easy Press. And what I really like about this, I'm going to go back to my raffle copter for when we are ready. What I really like about this heat transfer vinyl is that it's like butter smooth. It is not crunchy. Sometimes you'll get a vinyl that is like, if you've ever washed it and dried it, it's like, it's crunchy and it's just not good quality, and this is really good quality, and you'll see that when you weed it. I know a few of you guys have ordered this off of Prime, and so Jennifer, the Teflon sheet is going to protect your material and your vinyl from the heat that you use. So I'm going to be using my little 6x7 Easy Press for this project. It is my favorite thing in the world, you guys. I had not used an Easy Press. I have had a heat press for the last over a year, and recently I have started playing with the Easy Press machines, Easy Press 2s, and they are so much fun. I'm absolutely in love, especially with small projects. Like I was pressing some baby onesies, and they're perfect because they didn't hit the seam and they fit perfectly right in that surface area. So I'll give you guys some tips and tricks on how to use that. So I'm going to be pressing let me see, there is a way, bear with me, because there's a way that I can switch this. I don't feel confident doing this. There's a way that, oh yeah, now now you will be able to see my design the right way and not backwards. So one tip that I have, you guys, when you do heat or press your heat transfer, is that you want to fold your shirt in half, and that kind of gives you a guideline. And I go by the shoulder seams, and then I will go down the middle here. So you need a pressing pillow, and my favorite that goes along with this is the Easy Press mat, because it just fits perfectly with that. It's meant to adjust to that. So I'm just going to take my Easy Press right here, and you don't need a lot of pressure with your Easy Press. That's a big myth that I've seen lately, especially on different Facebook groups and seeing reviews is that you have to have a lot of pressure with your heat press or with your easy press, and you don't have to have that. The weight from the machine and just enough from your hand is enough pressure for your easy press. So by doing that, you will see that it gives me a perfect little line in the middle. Well, if I can get it centered, it gives me a perfect little line in the middle, and then that way it gives me something to work from, and none of my projects are going to be off-centered. So I'm going to show you guys how easy this vinyl is. This is a hand-lettered SVG. I know you guys saw that I introduced you to the Patreon group, and this is one of the designs that is available to you, plus 200 more, or over 200 really, onto that. So I'm not going to press on my easy press mat, but I'm just going to weed this super fast, and you'll see how easy it weeds. And like I said, this is free shipping on Amazon Prime. If you guys see glitter on the table, that's from our last couple of lives. It will not come off. I got polyacrylic mixed in with on my table, and so now I just have this beautiful, glorious table with glitter. And it just weeds so effortlessly. And that is really one of my favorite parts of this CraftVille glitter. I mean, I'm sorry, I got glitter in my brain, y'all. And so after we get this going on, like I said, we've got some giveaways. We hit 100,000 members in our group this week, you guys. That's crazy, 100,000 members. And so Cricut is sponsoring our next giveaway along with a bunch of glitter. And we will do that next weekend. And then Cricut is not going to let us go without, and they will be giving us some more stuff to give away. They are so good to us. Okay, so I'm almost done weeding this, and we'll press with the easy press. Especially small shirts like this, I find that they're just so... The thing that I like about the easy press is that it's portable. I know a lot of you guys will travel. You'll travel to friends' houses to do crafts, or you'll travel to do vendor stuff, and you can do everything like on site, and that's what's so awesome about this. So I'm just gonna lay my shirt over my easy press mat and get it lined up and straight. And you can see that I have my design weeded and ready to go. And this is one of the colors that come with the CraftVille packs that we're going to be giving away tonight. Alright, that looks smooth. I know, girl. Your machine has safety features, so it's telling me that I'm taking too long because it has automatic shut off. So yeah, I'm doing this on a table, but you want to make sure, Miss Rose, that you have a pressing pillow or a towel or something else underneath, or your vinyl is not going to adhere as well. So I've got this design. Yeah, and this is going to fit perfectly. So let me bring you down to the machine. This is set backwards, so it's got me twisted. And then now I can just press the green. And like I said, you don't have to have a ton of pressure on this. You just want enough. The heat is going to do most of the work for you. No, Heather, we don't have a fountain. We have a saltwater tank. So that's what you're hearing. And sometimes you'll hear that in my videos as well. Okay, so it gives you a little beep when it's ready. And then I'm going to go ahead and lift this. Let's see, let's go ahead and do another layer with the Teflon sheet. And press the green button. And this comes with instructions. It comes with cutting instructions. It comes with application instructions. It has everything that you need. And what I love about this is that all the colors that comes with it, and I'll show you guys after. All right, so it should be ready, and we're just gonna give it just a few seconds to cool. It looks like it's really pressed on there good. We're just gonna give it a few seconds to cool. So with this, like I said, you get all kinds of different colors with, I've got to keep this centered on me. You get the silver, you get gold, you get the white, and then what's really cool about this is you get this hot pink, you get green, which is really good for the Grinch. You get the white, of course, you get this really pretty blue, you get the red, which is what I cut from. You get, let's see, you get the yellow. Let me put these off to the side here. You get a navy blue. There's so many. You get a black. And these are kind of matte, like matte colors. They're not super shiny. Oh, you get two black. They're not super shiny, and I like that. You get a purple, you get silver, you get two yellows, you get an orange, you get a bright, let me put these off to the side again, there's so many. You get a bright red, you get a gold, and the gold is my favorite. I love that gold. It's like a metallic gold. It's really pretty. And then you get a brown and a green, and you get a silver, which is really pretty too. So I like those a lot. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to bring you guys down. Yeah, it is a really good variety of color. I'm trying to find, I've got you guys mirrored imaged because I want you to see the image as it's supposed to be. It is really hard to get this centered up because everything is backwards. But then we're just going to peel our carrier sheet, and then our project is finished. And like I said, this is a SVG that I made that you can get in the Patreon drive, and it's a really pretty color. I wish you guys could feel how super soft. So smash that heart button if you really like this color, this beautiful maroon color. I like that a lot. All right, you guys. So don't forget, while we do a giveaway, how do you know if it has to be cool or taken off warm? Everything you need to know is with your instructions. Let me straighten you guys up. And let me turn this back around. Okay, now I'm more comfortable. Everything you need to know is with even the thickness, it has the applications, it has storage, it has care instructions, it has how to press, how long to press, the iron-on, or if you have a heat press, or you know, the heat press will go along with the easy press. And so it's a really good quality pack for the price. All right, so let's go ahead and do the giveaway. I do want to remind you guys that we do have a giveaway coming up next week with Cricut. They're going to be giving away a solid year Cricut access. And then we have a bunch of glitter giveaways. So I'll remind you guys as we go along. Let me go ahead and close this down. So if we have any last minute entries, it kind of jams it up. And let's go ahead and pick a winner. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead. And so it's really simple. All I have to do is just click pick a winner. And good luck to everybody. Thank you for joining me for this live. Thank you for participating in the giveaway. You guys check out this pack on Amazon if you want to. It's a good starter pack, or it's a good assortment pack of colors. So I will link all of that below. It's at the top right now. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I will link that below. So I'm gonna go ahead. I've got the raffle copter pulled up right now. And then I'm going to add a random winner. Sorry, I've got to refresh this. Okay, and our winner, let me hide her, is Carrie Orabello. So Carrie Orabello, you are the winner of our CraftVille Heat Transfer vinyl pack giveaway, and I will pass all of that information along to CraftVille, and they will be getting that to you in the mail. So thank you everybody for joining me. If you are on the YouTube channel, be sure to check out the description box below, subscribe, and I will link all of this information for you. And congratulations to Carrie. I'll get in touch with you to pass that information along, and you guys have a good night. Thanks guys.